Hey you guys, it's They Call Me Miss Kelly here, but you can call me Carol. I'm all about reading, writing, and self-care in order to help us improve our lives. And I learned that you can use Epsom salt to feed your plants. So I went to the dollar store because I wanted to check it out first. Dollar Tree, and I bought a bag of Epsom salt for $1, and right on the front of the package it says, great for gardening, use as a plant nutrient. Okay, great for gardening, use as a plant nutrient. So I've been putting this in my watering can, or I actually use a gallon, empty gallon water bottle, and I fill it up with warm water. I let the water sit overnight so it can lose you know, so the stuff that's in it that hurts the plant can start to dissolve. I saw it on another page, and I just pour some of this, and I kind of just pour enough in there. You know how they say when the ancestors say that's enough, my child. Then I stop and I shake the bottle up after I put the top back on it, and then I just use that to feed my plants, and they have been growing pretty well. And since I only use a little bit of Epsom salt in the whole gallon of water, then I am able to feed it just a little bit every single day to all of my plants. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plants all together. So get you some Epsom salt. If your soil is hard, if it's waterlogged, if it needs nutrients, if your plants aren't doing as well, say hi, Kingston. If your plants aren't doing as well, then Dollar Tree, Epsom salt, put a little bit in warm water and water your plants when needed. You'll get vibrant plants, okay? And it says it right there on the front. I never even noticed that before. So I use this for my plants. All right, bye. Say bye.
Bye.